Good evening. Elton John's known as the Rocket Man, and tomorrow night he lands here in Fort Wayne. It's a concert many have been looking forward to for a long time. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth was at the Coliseum today to see the stage. They're getting things set up.
Oh, that's right, Heather. Right now it's just an empty arena, though, and a very large stage inside. But tomorrow night, when Elton John steps into the building, he'll put on a show only few can pull off.
Some performers need a lot of production. They need the flash, they need the big video walls and everything else to make it all work. You're going to see with Elton John, you don't need any of that. You got the music. And if you have the music, it's the full package.
Elton John's a big-name show the Coliseum wouldn't usually get on the weekend.
Getting an attraction of this size on a Saturday night, we typically would see this as a midweek play for us. But we were fortunate the routing worked.
Several trucks and buses will arrive early tomorrow morning to put the last work into the stage. They'll roll out the carpet and hang lights and speakers nearly 35 feet in the air, centering everything on one man.
The stage where we're standing now is going to be pretty well clear, and the only thing you're going to see on stage for the most part is a piano.
The show has already set new records for the Coliseum.
Largest crowd, most tickets sold, largest gross ticket sales.
11,000 tickets sold the first day they were on sale. Tomorrow, Elton fans will learn just who he is.
Wow. He hasn't lost a step. He's wonderful. His voice is great. But just know that this is it's going to be best ever. And I can say best ever in the 60-year history of the Coliseum. It's that good.
Randy Brown told me tomorrow's concert is just the start of big-name shows the Coliseum hopes to hold. Heather country star Jason Aldean and Van Halen are also big names coming soon, and I'm told other big bands are also in the works.
Okay, thank you, Randy. Well, if you don't have tickets to tomorrow's show yet, but you still want to go, you do have a couple of options. The Coliseum ticket office says it does have a couple of single tickets left, but the seats are behind the stage. And places like StubHub also have tickets, but you'll pay a premium. Prices there range from $59 a ticket to over $300. When you take 12,000 people who are attending the concert, throw in the Fort Wayne Derby Girls bout at 6 o'clock, you get a recipe for traffic gridlock. Coliseum officials recommend allowing plenty of extra time to get there, to park, and to get into the building. They're also reminding folks that the concert starts promptly at 8 o'clock and there is no opening act. Well,